we told you you can see invisible things? What if we told you you can know the answer to any question? What if? That is all now possible with the 24 KUPI Invisible Watch. We are bringing you this new, innovative, invisible technology. When the watch is turned on, it looks like there is nothing on the screen. But when you use our special, unique glasses, you are able to see the content on the screen. To make this work, we use a special screen and special lenses. The glasses are unisex and made with good quality. Now you can upload content on the watch. Put the glasses on and enjoy your exams, because only you will have access to the hidden content. This technology is also available for other devices that we have on offer, such as LCD monitors, phones, tablets, and so on. Visit us now and get your 24 KUPI Invisible Watch.